The rise of Nazi Germany stands as one of the most consequential and tragic chapters in world history, reshaping the global landscape and leading to unprecedented devastation. This dark period began in the aftermath of World War I, with the establishment of the Weimar Republic in 1918. The Weimar Republic faced numerous challenges from its inception. Germany was burdened with war reparations, hyperinflation ravaged the economy, and political instability plagued the nation. These factors created a fertile ground for extremist ideologies to take root. It was in this tumultuous environment that Adolf Hitler began his political career. After joining the German Workers' Party in 1919, Hitler quickly rose through its ranks. He renamed it the National Socialist German Workers' Party, or Nazi Party for short, and became its leader in 1921. The Great Depression of 1929 hit Germany particularly hard, exacerbating existing economic woes and social unrest. Unemployment soared, and many Germans, desperate for change, became increasingly receptive to the Nazi Party's nationalist and anti-Semitic rhetoric. Hitler and the Nazi Party exploited this discontent, promising to restore Germany's greatness and blaming the country's problems on Jews, communists, and the Treaty of Versailles. Their populist message resonated with many, and the party's popularity grew rapidly. In January 1933, Hitler was appointed Chancellor of Germany. This marked the beginning of the end for the Weimar Republic. Within months, Hitler consolidated his power through a combination of legal maneuvering, intimidation, and violence. The Reichstag fire in February 1933 provided Hitler with the pretext to suspend civil liberties. The Enabling Act, passed shortly after, gave him dictatorial powers. Political opponents were arrested or fled the country, and Germany quickly transformed into a one-party state. Under Nazi rule, Germany underwent dramatic changes. The regime implemented racist policies, particularly targeting Jews and other minorities. They also embarked on a massive rearmament program, violating the Treaty of Versailles and setting the stage for future conflict. Hitler's aggressive foreign policy, including the annexation of Austria and the invasion of Czechoslovakia, eventually led to the outbreak of World War II in September 1939, when Germany invaded Poland. The rise of Nazi Germany serves as a stark reminder of how fragile democracy can be, especially in times of economic hardship and social upheaval. It underscores the dangers of extreme nationalism, racism, and the concentration of power in the hands of a few. As we reflect on this dark period, we must remain vigilant to ensure that such atrocities never happen again.